What's up traders, welcome back. Today we'll be going through this trade that I took on US30. I've actually recorded my trading session just to share with you guys my thought process while I'm in a trade. So I'll be sharing it after the lesson. So watch the entire video for it to make sense. So let's go. So you're on the daily time frame on Nasdaq. I was trying to trade Nasdaq on this day, but I was forced to trade US30. As you all know, I like to scalp Nasdaq because it has nice moves. So on this current trading day, which is the next candle, I was expecting lower prices, since we got a reaction from the order block and the fair value gap, and more importantly, since we did not close inside of it. So I'm expecting the next daily candle to trade downwards. So just like in the chess game, what's your level for defense? Which means the level that's gonna stop the next candle from going up, since you want lower prices. In this case is the consequent encouragement, which is the 50% level of this candle's wick, because wicks represent gaps too, just like a fair value gap. So if we close above that level, I'll be skeptical in taking shorts. So on the low we have this fair value gap for sell side. So all I have to do right now is to show up at the right time and look for opportunities. I only trade after the New York Session Stock Exchange open, preferably at 10 AM, which is also the start of the silver bullet session for those that trade the silver bullet. So let's see what happened on the lower time frame. So we're on the 5-minute time frame on Nasdaq. As you can see, we're coming from the 50% of the daily candle's wick, where the market structure shift and traded higher. But all of this is happening before our trading session, because you guys know that we rely on time and price. So you can see by the time we got to our trading session, the price was already above the 50% level that we have marked on the daily time frame. So I can't just take a buy trade from that level because price is in premium. Remember I said if we trade above that level, I'm gonna be bullish for the day. So since I couldn't take a trade on Nasdaq, I was forced to look at S&P 500, and I saw that it also left without me. And luckily, US30 was still in fair price. So on US30, the buy side was still open. Don't forget that these three are supposed to move in the same direction. So when I saw that on the US30, I took a buy trade based on this order block, and I put my stop below the swing. And then my target was the closest buy side liquidity. I did not wait for any retracement. I took the buy same time as it moved above the order block. I didn't expect any retracement. So let me show you guys my live recording during the session. This is going to be a commentary over the video. As you can see, I was already in the trade. To be honest, I wasn't prepared to record the session. So like I said, just like a chess game, you can see me drawing a line at the 50% level of that down candle's wick, which is going to act as my defense level for my bullish buyers. So I don't want to see a 50-minute candle close below that level if I'm bullish. That level is also known as the consequent encouragement. I don't remember mentioning it in this channel, but that's basically the 50% level of a candle's wick. This was annoying, though I was expecting that level to be traded to. It still didn't close below it on the 50-minute time frame. So with a break of structure, I took the first par shot to avoid having a bad psychology throughout the rest of the trade. So right here you can see me highlighting the fair value gap, but because this fair value gap is too big, I divided it in half and dragged my stop loss below the 50% level of that fair value gap. Look at the accuracy, it's giving Harry Potter vibes. It's ludicrous. We took out the short-term high, and that was the end of it. This trade became a waste of time because I took it on my Forex funds account, and then they shut the prop firm down. But anyways, I'm sorry for delaying the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you appreciate the content. Until I catch you next time, that's for Daniel.